We got our first hole. Now we just gotta do this 3 more times.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Whoops, might help if I open up the lens cap there. So as you can see, I have a lot of plant babies and my family of plant babies is growing. I'm adding to it. I just really love the way that they brighten up a space and just make it look very homey and green and naturey inside. I got this little vase at Target. So I actually got a little bit impatient. I jumped the gun and already last week I drilled some holes into some of my pots. For instance, this ceramic planter that I bought at Target, which I'm trying to grow watermelon in. These are sugar baby watermelons. This Birds of Paradise, it only had 1 center drainage hole and I added, I think 4 more holes, so it has a total of 5. That way, when I water it, the water goes out through evenly because we don't have time for our plants to like get soggy and die. So I've run into a couple of issues with some pots not having a drainage hole or not having enough drainage holes. So I did a little bit of research and I figured out how to drill into a ceramic or a terracotta pot. That way you can add either a drainage hole if it doesn't have one, or if your pot doesn't have enough holes, then you can add additional holes just to make sure that your pot isn't getting waterlogged and it's not getting dry spots and wet spots and just inconsistent temperatures within your pot. This is a pot that I added a hole to, as you can see. It did not have a drainage hole before. I got this at Walmart for like $5, so super cute. I just like to plant my plants directly into the pot. It is very good to have more drainage holes. That way your roots get aerated, the water can pass through. All right, so here is what you'll need. You're gonna need a towel. Diamond drill bits, I got mine off Amazon. I will link them down below. A drill, a bowl with a little bit of water, and a sponge. And of course, safety goggles to protect your eyes. And here I am just quickly setting up my work area. As you can see, I am just laying down the towel and just bringing everything that I need over and organizing it. Don't forget your goggles. And before I start drilling, I mark where I want the holes to go with a pencil.
Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny.
And once I choose the size of my diamond drill bit, I put it on my drill. I then add a little bit of water with the sponge, that way dust doesn't fly all up in my face. You're then gonna start drilling at a 45-degree angle. Don't start head on straight down. I found that when I did that, the drill bit would just go crazy and fly all over the pot, and it actually didn't work very well. You may need to stop and retighten the bit. Once you feel like you've made a groove into the pot, you can start to tilt the drill upwards and drill straight down. You can see there's a little bit of a hole starting to form. I sped up through this part a bit because it's just me adding water, drilling, until... Okay, success. We got our first hole. Now we just gotta do this 3 more times. Always scares me. It always goes down violently. Yay! So there we go. We have 5 drainage holes. Perfect. These you can just throw away. Dude. I am not made for hot weather, so what I'm doing in Arizona. Yeah, I think I've drilled holes into 4 pots. So far that method has worked out pretty well for me. If there's a more efficient way to do it, let me know. Now I feel like I want to turn everything into a pot. Like I can turn a teacup into a pot. Those drill bits are good for glass, ceramic, and I think terracotta. So I hope that was helpful. If you drill a hole in your pot, let me know. I would love to see. I'm gonna go drink some water and I will see you in the next video.
And you